Hi, Assalamualaikum to my panels, Dr. Eliza and Dr. Alif. Before I start my presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Jasmine Shamimi binti Muhammad Shah. I am supervised under Prof. Madya Dr. Amzasari Muhammad Kasim. So, I'm going to present my final year project, which is evaluation of nutraceutical supplement in inhibition of fungal growth. Basically, this is my poster and I will enlarge and discuss each section later. So, I will start with abstract. The consumption of nutraceutical supplement is another option to inhibit fungal growth. These four natural herbs, turmeric, ginger, black pepper and red chili, act as superfood which will have a huge impact on the health of humans. Hence, the objective of this study is to evaluate the antifungal properties of the nutraceutical supplement developed at different doses against Aspergillus niger and Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which was evaluated by this diffusion method. This study reveals that the maximum zone of inhibition for Aspergillus niger 13.5 mm and Saccharomyces cerevisiae 11 mm was at dosage of 3 gram equivalent to 3 capsules and 2 grams equivalent to 4 capsules of supplement with high concentration of curcumin. This study will introduce to you about nutraceutical supplement as alternative for pharmaceutical, fungal infection and antifungal assay. Fungal infection have resulted in significant morbidity and mortality rates worldwide. The definite impact of fungal infection on human health is not known. In addition, the world is now facing emerging antifungal resistance toward current synthetic medication. The medication also reportedly has dangerous side effects over long-term consumption. In order to overcome this issue, an alternative of antifungal agent is required due to the growing problem of antifungal resistance, lack of current effect, and high cost of treatment. Different studies have performed on natural supplement extracted from plants, fruit, vegetable, or spices, such as the study of curcumin to control spoilage and fungal pathogens. Curcumin is the main active ingredient in turmeric and is responsible for its various biological action. To add, the advantage of using turmeric herb is that people are more likely to eat it with fats or oil from their foods. As they are lipophilic, this will increase the curcuminoid absorption in the turmeric as they attach to fats. However, one of the key issues with the ingestion of curcumin alone is it is poor bioavailability, mainly due to poor absorption, rapid metabolism, and rapid elimination. For the same cost, turmeric supplement can be taken with meals or choose supplement that contains a bioavailability enhancer. Using certain agent to form curcumin complex has been studied to increase the bioavailability of curcumin. Pepperine from black pepper, for example, improve curcumin bioavailability by 20-fold. Hence, natural product with synergetic relationship that enhance the pharmaceutical effect should be developed and studied. As mentioned, this study using different composition of herbs which are turmeric, black pepper, ginger and chili. Turmeric has therapeutic properties such as insecticidal, antimicrobial, antifungal, antimalarial, antiviral, and antioxidant property, while black pepper offer many advantages such as anticarcinogenic, bioavailability, enhancement, cheminative property, anti-inflammatory action, cholesterol reduction capability, immune enhancer capacity, antipyretic, antimicrobial, and rubefacient activity, which is a substance that causes redness in the skin due increased blood circulation, while chili pepper are antibacterial and antifungal, which may have been the reason why humans start consuming them. Ginger can act as antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-cancer, neuroprotective, cardiovascular, and respiratory protective, anti-obese, anti-diabetic, anti-nausea, and anti-emetic activity. These are my overall flow of the study. This process have been divided into 5 sections. First is preparation of media. I prepared potato dextrose agar and Milton hitam agar. The solidified agar was stored in chiller for further analysis. Then, selection and reviving of fungi. Aspergillus niger and Saccharomyces cerevisiae has been selected in this study. These two fungi were subcultured for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the culture were used and suspended in 85% of saline solution. The acidity was compared visually using Macfarlane standard. Then, the process to determine of positive control. As you can see, chloramphenicol, glycophyrin and ethanol has undergone pre-assay, and Aspergillus niger was resistant toward chloramphenicol and ethanol, while cerevisiae does not resistant to ethanol. Therefore, 0.06 gram per ml, which is concentration of glycophyrin, was used as positive control for Aspergillus niger, and 70% ethanol was used as positive control for S. cerevisiae. Next is preparation of nutraceutical supplement, which is my sample. The supplement was prepared by two concentration, low concentration and high concentration of curcumin from two different turmeric powder, basically to evaluate the impact and the effect of different concentration of curcumin on fungi. This composition was determined from the maximum allowable composition by Food and Drugs Administration (FDA). Lastly is the assessment of antifungal assay using this diffusion method to measure the zone of inhibition. As a result, the maximum zone of inhibition based on figure 2 and 3 against Aspergillus niger and Saccharomyces cerevisiae for nutraceutical compound with low concentration of curcumin was at dosage of 2 gram for both fungi. For nutraceutical compound with high concentration of curcumin, the maximum zone of inhibition was 3 grams for Aspergillus niger and 2 grams for S. cerevisiae. From this finding, we can see that curcumin, a bioactive compound from turmeric, has been suggested to alter the cell membrane's property and indirectly influence the membrane proteins. Intracellular component, particularly potassium ion, are leaked by curcumin. Therefore, loss of cytoplasmic potassium will lead to cell death in fungi. By the result obtained, it could be concluded that the nutraceutical supplement with high concentration of curcumin were more efficient against Aspergillus niger and S. cerevisiae. 2 grams for capsule of concentration curcumin need to be consumed to give antifungal effect, while 2 grams SIPS capsule and 2 grams for capsule of high concentration curcumin is required to inhibit the growth of Aspergillus niger and S. cerevisiae respectively. The assessment has shown that the development supplement has significant activity toward antifungal properties. This finding will provide future direction for the safe use of this natural product in the fight against fungal infection and related diseases.